Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So we're answering a Facebook question. Someone has said or asked whether they can create a splash page, so a page prior to them getting to the main website. So let's assume this is the main website and they're wanting a page prior to getting to this section here. The answer to that is yes, you could. There is a workaround for that. What you could do is you could go to Settings and General Settings. And then I think it's within the first tab when this loads up. If we just scroll down, what you could do is you could set the website to station mode. And then what you could do is the edit coming soon page. What you could do is create a splash page just here. So you can remove this current content. You can add widgets and all that to this section. But you can essentially create whatever page you want here. And then get them to click on a link then to take them through to the main website. So that's the way that I would do it if you want to do a splash page that then leads on to the main website. It's not going to affect Google searching your site. Google can still crawl and search all your pages on your website when you submit your sitemap to Google. So it shouldn't affect anything. But yeah, it's a really great workaround to accomplish what it is that you're wanting, that splash page prior to going through to the main website. So that is an option that you might want to consider. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.